guys, I found a Nerf Elite Blaster. This is an old one. It's the Nerf Fortnite Elite Blaster. I found this Saturday. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. I found it at the barn. It was kind of dirty, so I washed it. Yeah, it's like pretty clean up, but still kind of wet. That's one the chamber, like just a little secret little on. Yeah, but this is when Fortnite was in its prime. This came out when Fortnite was in its prime. Comment if y'all remember this. This is an old gun, my baby. It's one of my older brothers into Nerf Gavin. You know, you've seen in a couple of videos. You've seen him before. The teenage turret. Anyways, this is it. It's pretty good. It's an original. It's an OG gun. It's one of the OG Nerf guns. This looks pretty cool. So, look at me. When I do this, you can still shoot at this and watch this. Isn't that cool? Anyways, I was just wanting to make a video of it. Bye.